Hey, this is Mike at Extreme Audio in a 2016 Ford Explorer that we added remote start through the OEM remotes as well as long-range add-on remotes. Pressing the unlock button will unlock the doors with 2 confirmation beeps to let you know the vehicle got the signal. Pressing lock will lock the doors with confirmation beep. Press and hold the start button to remote start it. You'll get confirmation beeps, then more beeps to confirm that it started. You can also shut the vehicle back off by pressing the start button again. Next up, we have operation from the OEM key fob. Simply press the lock button 3 times to start. Like the aftermarket fob, you can also shut the vehicle back down by pressing lock 3 times. Interested in a remote start for your Explorer? Check us out at extremeaudio.org or contact one of the locations at the end of the video. Extreme Audio has 2 Richmond, Virginia area locations, one in Mechanicsville just past Lee Davis High School next door to Sheehy Nissan, and the other in Midlothian off Hull Street Road in the building with Steelhorse Harley Davidson.